Joey? These are pretty slick. X is greater than -3 on the x-axis. Come down to -3. Draw a... Whoops, that's not the x-axis. Let me erase. Let's try this right here. There's the x-axis. Okay, you're going to have a vertical line and it's going to be dotted. And you're going to shade anything to the right. So I'm just going to draw an arrow. It's going to the right. Now let me do this other x right here. X is less than 2. So on the x-axis I'm going to come over 2. And I'm going to have a vertical line going through there. X is anything less than 2, so it's going to be anything to the left. Now your y's. Y is anything greater than -4, so on the -4 on the y, it's also dotted, but it's a horizontal line. And y is anything greater, so that's going to be up. And the last y is anything less than 3, so on the y-axis of 3, we're going to have a horizontal line going through there. And anything less than, so that's going to be down. So your answer is anywhere in this region. But the question asks you to find something. Find the vertices of the polygon formed by the system. This polygon has 4 vertices. It looks like it's a rectangle. Right there, right there, right there, and right there. So it's a rectangle. The vertices right here. To get to this dot, give me the ordered pair. It is over 2, up 3. The vertices, or the xy for this vertex, is left 3, up 3. And the bottom right corner, we go over 2, down 4. And the bottom left, we go left 3, down 4. Okay, last one. Your homework today, they're going to give you problems like this. Try this one. They're not going to give it to you in slope-intercept form. They're going to give it to you in standard form. So you're going to have to manipulate them. Change it to slope-intercept form. Solve for y. And then find m and b. Alright, so you got to get it in y equals mx plus b. So let me do this bottom equation. The bottom one, I'm going to minus 2x on the left, minus 2x on the right. So that's nothing. I got a minus y is less than 4 minus 2x. And the problem is you cannot have a minus y. I gotta have a positive y. So I'm going to change that to a positive y. How I technically change it is I'm going to times everything by a -1. And if you times both sides of an inequality, you're going to have to change the direction of the inequality. So 4 is going to become a -4, and that minus 2x is going to become plus 2x. Now my m and b, my m is 2 and my b is a -4. So on my y-axis -4, that's my first dot. Go up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Dotted line or solid line, it's greater than, so it's dotted. And anything above it or anything below it. Y is anything greater, so it's going to be above it. So it's going to be like this. Okay, now the second one. X minus 3y is greater than 6. You got to get y out by itself. So I'm going to minus the x on the left, minus x on the right. That cancels out, so it's a -3y. Is greater than 6 minus x. Divide by a -3. Divide this by a -3. Divide this by a -3. You just divided both sides by a -3. So you're going to have to change the direction of your inequality. So it's going to be y is less than 6 divided by -3 is a -2. And the negative x divided by -3 is just a positive x divided by 3. So my m is going to be positive 1 divided by 3. My b is going to be a -2. So start down here at -2. Go up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3. Or go down 1, left 3. Down 1, left. And this one also dotted line. Now, there's my X. So there's my 4 regions. And this one needs to be anything below. Why is anything less than? So it's got to be anything under this line. So if it's under the red and above the black, which region is it? It's this bottom left region right here. Because that's under the red and above the black.